There used to be a campground back in here, and you used to be able to camp, and you could get extremely close to the river down there, but they've changed so much of that now, it's not even remotely possible. The dam just added, Amber just added a lot of concrete to the dam, kind of some structural strengthening of it. Here's the other side. I don't know if the camera can actually pick it up, but there's at least 3 gates that have a steady stream of water that's just kind of seeping out of them. Now, I don't know if the edge on those gates are rough, or there's some kind of debris stuck in it from when they shut them last, or what happened, but that's not uncommon. I've seen that out of even the Harry S. Truman Dam up in Warsaw, Missouri. Pretty interesting. All right, we'll ride on. Little pond over here still has some ice on it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'd like to encourage you to subscribe if you enjoy my content. Hit that like button. And again, please leave a comment. I do like to respond to the comments. You know, this little spot over here, this little, see that cabin? There's a little bumper boat area here to the right. And then this used to be a really nice area at the lake where you could bring your kids and have a good time. But now, Lake of the Ozarks has really become about drinking and partying. Sad to say it, but it's true. gonna drive down the strip here, go back across the dam. I think I'll start heading back towards the direction of my home, because I honestly don't know how much battery is left on this GoPro, and I didn't bring an extra. I love the old sound of the XR. Boy, she's got a bark. Not gonna get that with one of those stock pipes. So these two big gray things over here to the left, those are what raises and lowers the dam gates and allows them to let that excess water flow. Alright, back on W Highway. Think I'm going to cut the video feed and resume it again here in a moment.